The ups and downs of our temperature regime here in the Granite State continues this afternoon. It's all about that gusty northwesterly wind providing wind chills in the single digits and teens before temperatures themselves drop back into the single digits and teens later tonight with clear skies as that wind starts to lighten. That wind tomorrow, after some morning sunshine, will give way to clouds. Will turn to the southwest and will allow temperatures to climb above the freezing mark during the afternoon with a chance of a couple of snow showers up north. There's the chance elsewhere, central and southern areas, of a passing mix shower later tomorrow night and very early Thursday morning before skies clear. Temperatures may even go above 40 before that colder air arrives later Thursday night and early Friday. Strong area of high pressure in control of our weather early on Friday. We'll also funnel in some colder air out ahead of the next system that'll be riding up the coast. A little more moisture involved with this, and varying precipitation types are certainly a possibility Friday night and first thing Saturday morning. We could be looking at some initial snow and then over to a wintry mix, maybe over to plain rain in southern areas, and maybe even wrapping up as a mix or rain farther north sometime during the morning or early afternoon hours on Saturday. Partly sunny skies expected for Sunday, and certainly the more reliable of the 2 days over the weekend. Wind chill ratings remaining in the single digits and teens as we go through the afternoon and for tonight as well. This will be with clear skies and eventually a lighter wind around for the day tomorrow. So temperatures slowly fading back through the day into the 20s to lower 30s before we're talking between about 6 and 20 for overnight lows tonight with a lighter wind. Low and mid 30s with clouds increasing tomorrow. A few snow showers in the North Country tomorrow afternoon and a couple of mixed showers tomorrow night. Keeping tabs on the maps and the trends for Friday night and Saturday, but a wintry mix and some snow expecting to try to change to rain in southern areas Saturday morning.